Welcome back everybody to another beautiful day in the Philippines. Today I'm in El Nido, and what I told you already in Paul Barton, El Nido is very famous for the island hopping, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I arrived yesterday in El Nido and just checked out a little bit the sights. And yesterday evening I just booked my tour at a random store. They have a lot of options to where you can go on the tour, and I was so overwhelmed that I just found one where I thought like, okay, they look nice, and just checked it. I met a French guy in Port Barton, and he told me Tour A and Tour C was his favorite tours. So I decided to take the Tour C, and I paid 1,400 pesos, including the island fee with the lunch. Yeah, I'm just going over there, and now we go straight then on the boat. Finally left the port in El Nido, and we're riding through this nice scenery, as you can see. And back there in the back, that's our first destination. That's called Helicopter Island, and we'll see how the snorkeling is there. So that's it from our first spot. We had a nice snorkeling here, and now we're going to the second spot, and that's called Hidden Beach. So we arrived here at the Hidden Beach, and behind me there's a small hole, what you can see, and we have to go through there, so there will be no footage of the Hidden Beach because my GoPro died in Malapascua last time, as you already know. And yeah, I'm just gonna check it out now. So we just came from the Hidden Beach, and I liked it so much there that I was flying a little bit with my drone. And now we're passing here this beautiful scenery, what you can see in the background. And now we're going to Secret Beach, and after that we're having lunch. So this is definitely one of the main reasons why I came to El Nido, to see this beautiful surrounding. It's nice cliffs and crystal clear water, and how you can see back there, just coming out of nowhere. It's amazing. I love it. So I really like the Secret Beach. The entrance is back there, where the snorkeler is right now coming from. And it's a really tiny beach, but you have some cave diving through, and it's really beautiful. I would love to show you that, but my GoPro died, so no pictures of that. think it's a really impressive area. It reminds me a little bit of some Norwegian fjords or something like that. I had a great day here, and we had 2 more stops, like 1 more stop with another snorkeling spot, and now we're having our last stop here at this super small beach, and we're also going snorkeling, and then we have to head back to El Nido. Unfortunately, the day is over, but I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you liked it, and please leave a thumbs up there. Don't forget to subscribe, and so you don't miss out on the next videos, and yeah, see you next time.